Hey everyone, my name is Shu. Today I want to talk about indoor plants and why you should get one. Natural environment affects us more than we think. Evidence suggests that effects of nature on people's thinking and behavior are astonishing. For instance, the recovery rate of patients in hospitals are much higher when they are able to see trees out of their room windows. Furthermore, prisoners experience much fewer medical problems when they can see forest and farmland from their cell windows. Lastly, the result of a randomized experiment shows that areas with greenery were associated with 48% fewer property crimes and 52% fewer violent crimes than those with no greenery but concrete. The researchers argued this was because the greenery put people in a good mood and thereby making them less likely to commit crimes. So the natural environment is strongly linked with a reduction in antisocial behavior. But what about other aspects of our behavior? It turns out greenery can also enhance our creativity and productivity. A series of experiments by Japanese psychologists demonstrated that having a pot plant in front of or next to the participants led to an increase in their creativity. Another study also shows that adding flowers and plants to an office led to a 15% increase in ideas and more flexible solutions to problems from employees. But why does nature have such tremendous effects on our behavior and abilities? From evolutionary perspectives, scholars argue that seeing trees and plants induces an ancient feeling of calm within us because it indicates that there will be a lot of food nearby, which reduces the worry about becoming starved. This feeling then makes people happier and more creative. So how can we take advantage of those effects of nature? Richard Wiseman, the author of 59 Seconds, Think a Little, Change a Lot, recommends you should place plants and flowers in your room or office, ensure the windows look out on trees and grass instead of concrete and steel, and use the color green instead of red when decorating rooms, such as green chairs, green wallpaper, or green food covers. But don't try to fake it. Pictures of the natural environment, like pictures of waterfalls, don't produce the same effect as real greenery. Just because it's high resolution doesn't mean it can make you relax and more creative. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!